Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera and the group 129 of English number 3. In this case, I will talk about my weekly routine. So let's start. First of all, on Monday, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I stayed in my home, relaxing a little bit until 6:15. Then I go to my bed, brush my teeth, and take a bath. After that, I go back to my bedroom and choose the clothes that I will dress uh, on that day. After that, I go out with my dog and that's it. Then I come back to my house and I eat my breakfast. Normally, my mom prepare like eggs with arepa and sausage, and then I go to with my brothers and my stepfather to brothers school in order to stay them in the school. Then I will go with my work. I work on the 76th Avenue in Teleperformance. It's a bilingual call center. Then I start my shift at 8 a.m. Then I go to turn on my computer. After that, I take a meeting with my boss in order to prepare the priorities of the day. And then at normally 9 or 9:30, I go out with my boss and take a cup of coffee and talk about something, any topic. And then I go back to the office in order to start the work. In this case, I work in a campaign that sell in the United States solar panels. So in this case, I have to call the customers and provide some information about the process, the solar panels, and that's it. At three, between 3 to 4 in the afternoon, I take my lunch, and also I normally buy the my lunch or my food in the office, or normally my mom prepare my food here in the house, and then I just go out to the fourth floor and eat with with my friends of the work on my boss, and that's it. Then at 5:30, I have a meeting. In that meeting, I normally help other friends in order to clarify any doubts or provide information about the process that we have to do in the company. But also in the morning, like between 12 to 1:30 p.m., I had the same meeting with my friends in order to talk about any topic and help in order to help them to resolve any doubts. On Tuesday, my schedule changed on my shift because I have to work some days in the office, but also I have to work some days here on my home. I have to go to the office Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Tuesday and Thursday I work here on my home. Normally on Tuesday I wake up and get up at 7:30 in order to brush my teeth and take a bath, get dressed, and to turn on the computer in order to start the work. In the Wednesday, normally I get up at 6 because I have to go with my brothers and my stepfather to go to brother school, and that's it. But normally on Thursday and Friday my shift change again because on Friday I have to go to the office, but on Thursday I have to work here on my home. So when I work here on my home, I get up normally between 6 to 7:30, and that's it. But for example, on Friday I take a lunch like 5 from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. with my best friends because I know many people, I meet many people in the United States. Also because I have to talk with many American people, British people, and for that reason I know a lot of English. So, but on Friday, normally when my shift is over, I normally go out with a bar or discotheque with my friends and drink some beers and enjoy time. But on weekends, like Sunday and Saturday, I stay at home. I do university homework. Normally, I help my brothers with their homeworks, English homeworks, and normally I go out, go to with my family, go to the cinema, or many times I normally go to other like towns near to Bogota, for example, Cajicá, Chia, and Zipaquira, or when we have a lot of money and we have many time to enjoy, we normally go out to Ibagué with my family because there I live another uncles and cousins, and we stay there for the weekend. From and that's it. This is my weekly routine. Thank you so much for listening this video. Have a good day.